Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn OpenCode. OpenCode is a open source AI coding agent. Okay, what is AI agent? A AI agent you can think of, say for example, OpenCode, Claude Code, Codex. And what is the any AI application? Simple AI application. Say for example, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. AI agent and AI app. It has a difference between agent and any AI app or chat app. Say for example, if you go to the ChatGPT, it is a chat app. You can ask question and it provides the response in a text format. Okay, but in a AI agent, it creates the code on your code base. Agent means it do something for you, and it provides the text or image. It provides the response. Okay, and it creates the application. It creates files. It calls the tools. Okay, there is a simple difference between AI agent and AI application. Okay, this is the ChatGPT is a AI application, or Gemini or Claude. It is a AI application, and AI agent is the open code, Claude code, Codex. It has the it do something for you, and it provides the response according to your prompt. Okay, if you think AI agent uses the brain, that is large language model, and also uses the tools in a loop, and it has the autonomy. That means AI agent is a large language model that uses tools, works in a loop, and acts autonomously. In a simple word, if we give a task to the AI agent has the architecture, and it uses the several tools. It maybe uses the search engine tools, surf, or any MCP tools to execute your tasks, and it works in a loop. It continues work on to work your tasks autonomously in a loop. It runs on a loop, and it acts autonomously without constant human effort. Your input is not required to work execute the work. Okay, this is the AI agent. There are several AI agents available in the market. OpenCode is a open source AI coding agent. Claude Code, it is also AI coding agent by Anthropic, and Codex is also AI coding agent by OpenAI. Okay, one thing you should remember: any AI application or any chat application, sorry, any AI agent slash chat, any AI application or chat, you need a brain, that is large language model. You need a brain. You need a brain. Any AI agent or chat should be connected to the brain. What is the brain? Brain is the large language model. Okay, brain is the large language model. If you want to use any AI agent or any chat application or any AI application, you need to connect one thing. You need to connect with the brain. Which is the brain? Here, large language model is the brain of any AI application. You should connect it. There are several providers available to provide large language model. Here, two things is very important. One is local LLM, and another is cloud hosted LLM. Cloud hosted LLM. Okay. If you have any AI agent and if you want to connect the large language model, you you have the two choice. One is local LLM, and you can connect the AI agent or chatbot with the cloud hosted LLM. Okay, first you have to install or set up the AI agent or any AI application, and then you should connect the large language model. It may be the local LLM and or it may be the cloud hosted LLM. How to use the local LLM? I have already created a video in my channel. You can go to this playlist, and here you can see how to run local LLM on your how to run local AI model on your PC. If you want to connect the AI agent or chatbot with the local LLM, just follow this video. You can use this video also, or you can use this run LLM locally on your PC. But here I am going to use cloud hosted LLM. In cloud hosted LLM, there are several providers available in the market. Say, for example, Anthropic Claude, OpenAI, okay, and there are several Grok and OpenRouter. Say, if I use this cloud hosted LLM example, you can use this. Say, for example, Claude, CLAUD. By using Claude API, you can connect the LLM with the AI agent, Claude API. It is a cloud hosted LLM provider. This, or you can use OpenAI API, OpenAI API key. By using OpenAI API key, you can also connect the LLM to the AI agent. And see, OpenRouter. OpenRouter, it also provides several LLM in this provider. You can find the LLM of Claude or OpenAI and open weight open source LLM in this OpenRouter. Okay. Here in this video, I am going to use AI agent that is OpenCode. You can see OpenCode. OpenCode is this is the, you can go to the docs. OpenCode is an open source AI coding agent. This. Okay, I'm going to use this. You can install first in this video. You have to install AI agent on your PC. To set up the AI agent, that is OpenCode, first you have to set up this. First you have to set up this on your PC, and then you have to connect any LLM by using these providers. You can use Claude API, you can use OpenAI API, you can use OpenRouter API key to connect the LLM, that is the brain of the AI chatbot. First, I have to set up the AI agent or OpenCode in my PC. You can use OpenCode in several ways. Okay, you can install it by using this. Okay, if you want to use the OpenCode in Windows, recommended to use the WSL. Okay, use the WSL operating system. That's why I am using the WSL. Just go to the CMD and then go to the open the WSL. This is my Ubuntu WSL. Okay, this is the Ubuntu WSL, and here I am going to create a project file, or you can simply use it. I am using mkdir. If you mkdir Python simple app 1 cd, and then open this project in VS Code. I am using VS Code. Okay, close this. This is control backtick. Open the terminal. Okay, this here you can install OpenCode, that is open source AI agent. This I am want to install OpenCode. Okay, this OpenCode install Carl. Just copy this code and go to the here, right click and hit enter. It will install the OpenCode to your machine. Okay, it takes time to install OpenCode to your machine. Wait a little bit. Right now its version is 1.17.6. Okay, I am installing OpenCode in my Ubuntu WSL, and I am using, here you can see the WSL colon Ubuntu. I am using Windows machine, but in Windows I am using the Ubuntu WSL. Okay, it is installing OpenCode on my machine. Then I will show you how to connect This is the AI agent I am using here. I am using here AI agent, that is OpenCode. OPE. Here I am using OpenCode as AI agent. And then I have to connect the AI agent with the brain, that is the LLM. There are several ways. I am using the OpenRouter to connect the LLM. Here you can see it is installed. Okay, it is installed. Just write OpenCode, OPEN, OpenCode, OpenCode, and hit enter to launch the OpenCode. Okay, and here you can connect, if you want to connect the LLM or large language model by using OpenRouter. Just go to the OpenRouter website and hit enter. First, you have to sign up the OpenRouter. Here, several large language model available in this provided by OpenRouter. You can go to the click on models. There are several models available. Say, for example, Fable 5, FABLE, Fable Anthropic Claude Fable 5. You can use this large language model in OpenCode AI agent. Fable latest. Okay. You can use GPT 5.5. This is OpenAI 5.5 model is also available here, OpenRouter. You can use Minimax, Minimax M3. If you open this, Minimax M3 LLM, you can use it. And here input price 0.30 and output price $1.20 per million 1 million token. And Minimax M3 is context window is 1 million. If you want to know what is the context window and tokens, you can watch this video. AI basics, LLM tokens, RAG, etc. You can watch this video. Okay. And it has the multi-modalities. You can provide input. You can provide the input in a text format, image format, video format, but output is only text. This is the Minimax. You can also see the Qwen model, QWEN, Qwen model, Qwen 3.7 max, Qwen 3. Okay, you can use it. Qwen Coda. You can also use Qwen Coda, Qwen 3 Coda. You can also use this. It has the input price 0.11 and output 0.80 per 1 million token. It has the B context window, that is 262K. Okay, you can also use it. First, to use the LLM, you can also use the GLM model. GLM model. It has the price model. Context is 203K. This is the. You can also use the models, that is DeepSeek. DeepSeek. Okay, DeepSeek V4 Flash. It is the pricing model, 1 million token. This. Several models and you can use by using the OpenRouter provider. To use the OpenRouter LLM, first go to the sign up. First, you have to sign up it and then click on Get API Key. I have already signed up. Okay. And you can also use the several free LLM models. But I recommend you to use the frontier model to use your best. Okay. I have already signed up. I have already recharged it by using the credit card. Okay. You can use the $5, minimum $5 to recharge it. And its pricing model is very, you can see it. I have already recharged it. Just go to the Okay. I have already signed in. Then go to the Get API Keys and create a new API key. Here you can see OpenCode PID. And you can set the credit limit 1. You can set, or default you can say it. Okay. Expiration 1 hour or 1 day, unlimited, you can use it and create. And then copy the API key and then go to the open code. Here you can use /provider /connect CONN and then click hit enter. And then choose the OpenRouter, OpenRouter, and click enter. And here you paste the API key and hit enter. Okay, here you can choose the several models. I want to choose the DeepSeek V4 Pro. or before flash, and you can use the several high or low, medium. I'm using high. And if I say create a Docker file for Python app in my current repo, okay, and hit enter. And if you use the tab, it has two mode, build mode and plan mode. This is the plan mode, it provides the text only. And if you use this build mode, it creates the files in your current repo, and hit enter. Okay, it is checking the files and folder in my current repo. This is thinking 1 second, and it has the context window already, which is 7,000 near about. Okay, this is the which Python framework do you want to use? I am using Flax 1. Hit enter. 3.12 version, yes, and it will create a Docker file for Python app in my current repo. Wait a little, confirm. It is creating a Docker file. You can see it is in left hand side. It is created a Docker file, and if you want to see the content of the Docker file here, this is the from work dir copy here. This. In this way, you can create a application. You can write code with the help of AI agent, that is OpenCode. Okay, and it also shows the your spent 1% use context window. Okay, in this way, you can use the OpenCode by using the OpenRouter large language model. Here I am using the OpenCode AI agent, but I am using the Brain large language model provided by the OpenRouter, and it has several LLM available. You can use the OpenWeight model, free model. You can also use the free model. This is the NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Ultra. This is the pricing model, is very free. If you change the Nemotron Ultra and you can use it, just go to the app, and here you can use /connect or /model, /model, and hit enter. Here you can choose the model, that is this. Just copy it and go to the this, and here you can paste and hit enter. Just /co connect. This is the OpenRouter, OpenCode. This is OpenRouter, sorry, OpenRouter, OpenRouter, and hit enter. And already I have chosen the API key, and you can use the any model. Just use in Nemotron, NV. This is the Nemotron Nano 9B free, and if you choose the high here, right now using the Nemotron Nano 9B free model. Explore current repo and hit enter. It is using the Nemotron Nano free model. Okay, and hit enter. It takes time, as it is a free model. It takes time to provide the response. I recommend you to use the this. It is also this thinking model, which is very good, and it is also. Do you want to like the this? It explore the my current repo, that is Dockerfile is used. Okay, here I am using the OpenCode AI agent, and I am using the LLM by using the provider, that is OpenRouter, and there are several LLM available by the OpenRouter. Okay, there are several models. You can use this text model, context length, pricing. You can use this free model available. There are several free models. I have already created another video, that is free AI coding agent, that is Claude Code, in connection with the OpenRouter. You can watch this video also. Okay, in this way, you can use the AI coding agent, and you can write code with this AI coding agent. Okay, if this video is helpful, please like it and subscribe it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.